And now I will introduce to you the first lesson, the lesson 1, which is the common expressions and the greetings. But before that, I just want you to know that most of the time, those who are living in Mindanao and Visayas, they are the people who always use this dialect, the Visayan and Cebuano dialect. But those who are willing to learn and to know this dialect of ours, you're always welcome to learn. And now, so let's start with the word maayo. So maayo come from the root word ayo. So ayo, it means heal. Ayo, naayo. So heal or something. Ayo, you're calling with someone. Like ayo, is anybody here? And the word good also here is not just for greetings, to use it for greetings, but if we see someone doing a nice thing, so we say very good or you're doing good. And buntag, so the buntag, it means morning. And udto, which is the noon. Hapon, afternoon. Hapon is afternoon, but if we say hapon, so they are the Japanese person. So sometimes this dialect vary on how we say the accent and how we spell it out. So hapon, afternoon. Gabi, so evening. So if we say maayong buntag, so that means good morning. Maayong udto, good noon. Maayong hapon, good afternoon. Maayong gabi, good evening. So most of the time, one of the character traits of the Filipino being respectful. So if we use the greetings, if we see someone, then we greet them. We always use the word mom there or the word sir. Like for example, maayong buntag ma'am, good morning ma'am. Maayong udto sir, good noon sir. Maayong hapon ma'am, good afternoon ma'am. Maayong gabi ma'am or good evening ma'am. So this is how we use the greetings in the sentence. Don't you know that Davao is one of the nicest and the safest place in the Philippines and the number 9 safest place in the whole world?